Hey guys, welcome to another reading. Let's find out what are your person's current energies towards you, what's going on. All right, dear universe, please tell us what are my viewers' person's current energies towards them. All right, this person is like this beaten up warrior. They are trying to just stay where they are. They're just holding on to that last kind of a hope or whatever they are left with. Not in a very happy space, not very excited about life. Okay. Unable to decide what to do. So there is a possibility, there are two options, or there is a decision that they need to make about this connection, about you, about them. They are unable to. The best way to deal with it is to just, look away, close your eyes, and they feel things will go away. So their energies are where they are indecisive about what to do, although they want to hold on to what they have here. They aren't, probably there is not a lot of communication going on here, because High Priestess is somebody who stays quiet, who doesn't reveal things. So also their energies are that either you are not telling them something, hiding, or they are the ones who are hiding something from you, or something has been hidden. That is what has created the problem here. That's a possibility. Again, Two of Pentacles. So they need to make a choice. They are in turbulent waters and they don't know what to do. The options that they have in front of them, the choice between the two things or feelings, is a very tough one. Again, so it's constantly about indecision. Their energies is very, very indecisive. They don't know what to do here, because the decision that they need to make is a really tough one. Let's see, what is the decision around? What can we know about this? What is the decision about here? Okay. Feather of Hope. Okay, so there is this, like I said, there's a small hope they are holding on to about, fulfilling the promises, maybe uplifting the future between the two of you. There are, again, so Cavern of Secrets, there are things which are concealed. There are things which needs to be maybe discussed. Resurrection. They want to, let go of the past. They want to, rise up from the ashes. Even if this feels like it's all dead, it's gone, they want to bring it back. They want the recovery to happen. And they don't want to, again, so no dwelling in the past. They want to focus on the future. They want this, if you see the rainbow colors in the card, it's like they really want to, in their energies, they're feeling beaten up. They're not sure what to do. The choices are very difficult, but they have this hope towards, building something better. They want to leave the past behind. Let's see some timeline. What is the timeline for, by when can this person work on this recovery? By when can we expect my viewer's person? October at night, February. So what I'm getting here is that this is going to probably happen between October and February. October is already gone. So we have a little more time that is left. So I feel that this whole thing where they work towards building things back together between October and February is a possibility. So that was the reading, guys. Thank you for watching.